Hi guys, SoCal Real Estate guys here. I'm here with Charlie. Today Charlie's doing a water backflow testing. And I want to just kind of let you guys know, because I wasn't, I had no idea what backflow testing was. So Charlie, can you introduce to our audience like a little bit about you and your company?
Yeah, I'm Charlie LuAllen. I own JMJ Equipment. We're locally based here in Orange. I'm certified to do backflow testing in 3 counties: Orange County, Riverside, and San Bernardino. You get certified through the health department, so technically what the work I do is for the health department. And what the backflow does is prevent our water from being contaminated from anything on the property back into the main water supply that everybody uses.
Yeah, so you had told me a little bit earlier about kind of like the little bit of history about the backflow. Can you share with the audience a little bit about it?
Backflows came about because the Navy had a situation where the sewage water got crossed into the domestic water supply, and several hundred men were killed on a boat. This was back prior to World War II, or just at the beginning of World War II. And they went to the Navy went to USC and had them develop this product to keep that situation from ever happening in the future. And that's where the backflow industry kind of started. USC writes the book, all the regulations and all the different equipment that is required for it.
Yeah.
And in 1986, the Clean Water Act was passed by Bill Clinton, and this was a part of it, to require all water mains or water meters to be protected by a backflow device.
Yeah. So I'm sure you do a lot of these, right?
Yes.
And so right now, you said earlier it's regulated for commercial properties, but residential not yet, maybe in the future.
Yeah, it's coming down. There are several residences that I do that have orchards or large properties, typically an acre or more. Anywhere where they have a large amount of irrigation, they're required to have a backflow on them. Not so much here in Orange County, but when you get out in Riverside and San Bernardino, there's several people.
So can you show us a little bit about what it is on here, on one of the you have this testing equipment here?
Yeah.
And then
this is the backflow device, and on it I've actually attached my connectors to be able to put my meter. This is a test kit that what I do is I test 3 different issues on the backflow. A relief valve, which what the relief valve does, it actually when you have a backflow condition, the relief valve opens up and dumps all the water off of the property down onto the ground, instead of allowing it to go back into the main water supply. The other 2 things are that there's a number 1 check and a number 2 check, and I test those as well. And the number 1 check holds the water from going back into the main supply, and the number 2 check supports that and then helps with pass the water into the relief valve.
I see. So this is kind of a close-up of the system that's installed there. Yeah, for those of you guys, we're gonna share on the YouTube channel Charlie's, like the usual, Charlie's contact. So if any of you guys have buildings that need checkups with the backflow testing, please make sure you reach out to him. Okay.
Please.
All right, thank you.